Hello everyone. If you're looking to buy a GPS tracker and want to get a budget model, then you'd better watch this video. I'll tell you about the Sinotrack ST-900 model. This is one of the budget models worth buying. So, if it's cheaper, it's better not to get it. This model costs around $9 to $10. Cheaper trackers will either be without a GPS 7 module and only roughly show the location, or 8 they'll have some clunky app. So, you won't be able to use 9 it properly. This model, however, will work accurately. It has a GPS antenna that will 11 show the exact location. There might be an error of about 5 meters. It also has an excellent SinoTrack app, 13 which will show the real-time 14 location. And you can also view the movement history, 15. Check for speed violations, set geofences in the 16 app. So, all the functions of a full-featured, expensive tracker 17 are here. Except for engine blocking, that cannot be connected here. For that, you need to get a more expensive model. But all related to vehicle movement, such as speed 20 violations, geofence exits, and movement history, are all 21 present here. The tracker looks like this little box. 22. It has a GPS antenna. If you look closely, 23, you can see it. So, it's best to position the antenna upwards. And don't hide the GPS tracker under metal panels. So, if you're putting it on the hood or in the trunk, it's better to leave it in the cabin, under 26 the dashboard under plastic, or somewhere in a pillar or sill. So, 27. If plastic covers it, it's fine, but metal worsens GPS signal reception. 28. Therefore, it's better to place it under plastic. The kit includes harness. There are 3 wires here. These are the wires. Black is minus, red is plus. We supply power, and the tracker starts working. Just don't forget to insert the SIM card into the slot. The orange wire is for ignition display. So, it connects 33 to the ignition, and on the map, you can see if the ignition is on or off. When the ignition is off, the car icon is red. When the ignition is 35 on, meaning a positive signal is supplied here, the car icon is green. So, you can see if it's running or not. And there's a fuse. So, if there are any tracker malfunctions, the fuse will blow, and the car won't burn out. 38. For the tracker to work, we'll need a SIM card with internet. Here, I have a 39 Kyivstar SIM card with internet. We insert it into the tray. 40. The tray is closed. Done. Now we need to supply power. We supply power through 41 wires. In my case, I simply connect it via USB 5 volts. 42. I turn it on. The LEDs light up. You need to place the tracker in an open area so it can acquire satellites. It will acquire GSM and all that indoors. And also the app. We download it from Play Market or App Store. The app is called SinoTrack. Here we will need to enter the user ID number. It's written on the tracker's casing. 46. Here, on the back side. There's an ID number. I'm entering it. 47. The standard password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After purchasing the tracker, it's better to change your own, so no one can view your tracker. So, the tracker turned on 49, online, but it doesn't show the location. You definitely need to go outside or place it on a window, because the satellites haven't been acquired yet. Now I'll drive with it. 51. I need to stop at the post office here. I'll drive with it and show/record how it displays the location. 52. I display all this information in the app. I connected the tracker to a phone charger, 53, a regular car charger. It started working. Satellites were acquired almost immediately. It took about 30 to 40 seconds to acquire satellites. Although the weather is 55 cloudy, it acquired satellites and is working. And on the phone, my 56 exact location is immediately displayed. So now I'll drive and we'll see how it draws the picture 57. In motion, how the tracker shows the location. 58. This is how this GPS tracker model works. I'll leave the link in the description. If 59. You're interested in other models, I have a selection of different GPS tracker models. Watch 60 reviews, subscribe to the channel. Thanks everyone for watching, bye everyone. 61. Calm music.